Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury skincare with the AMOREPACIFIC Time Response Skin Reserve Gel Cream. This product is designed to cater to all skin types, providing a lightweight yet powerful anti-aging treatment. Let's take a closer look at what it brings to the table. AMOREPACIFIC Time Response Skin Reserve Gel Cream is a unique moisturizer that combines cutting-edge skincare technology with the natural power of green tea. Its formula also features niacinamide, an ingredient known for its ability to brighten and even skin tone. This gel cream hybrid promises to hydrate and improve skin elasticity while addressing visible signs of aging. It's lightweight, making it suitable for those with oily, combination, dry, or normal skin. I've been using this moisturizer for a few weeks now, and I'm ready to share my thoughts on how it performed in my daily routine. First impressions matter, and this one stood out from the moment I first applied it. The texture is refreshing, smooth and hydrating without feeling greasy. It absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling moisturized but not weighed down, which is a huge plus, especially if you have oily skin like mine. During testing, I applied it both in the morning and at night. In the morning, it worked well under makeup, providing a smooth base without causing any pilling. I also noticed it didn't clog my pores, which can sometimes be an issue with heavier creams. In the evening, it helped to keep my skin nourished throughout the night, and when I woke up, my skin felt plump and refreshed. Pros? The standout feature is the lightweight texture, which is a rarity in anti-aging moisturizers. It doesn't sit on the skin like a heavy cream, but it still provides deep hydration. The inclusion of green tea, known for its antioxidant properties, adds extra value, making it a great choice for anyone concerned with environmental stressors. Plus, the niacinamide works wonders for brightening and refining the skin's appearance. However, this product isn't perfect. One downside is the price point. While the ingredients are top tier, it is quite expensive, which may be a barrier for some people. Additionally, while it's suitable for all skin types, those with extremely dry skin may find they need a bit more moisture, as this gel cream may not be rich enough for severe dehydration. When it comes to value for money, it's important to weigh the luxury factor. AMOREPACIFIC is a high-end brand, and you're definitely paying for that reputation and formulation. While you can find cheaper alternatives that offer niacinamide and hydration, this one stands out due to the incorporation of green tea and its lightweight formula. It's a luxury product, but for those looking for something with a high-end feel, it could be worth the splurge. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical, with a jar design that feels sturdy but remains easy to access with a spatula. As for longevity, a little goes a long way. Even with regular use, I can see this jar lasting quite a while, making it a somewhat more justifiable investment despite the high price. As for customer support, I didn't personally interact with the brand's support team, but AMOREPACIFIC is known for providing excellent service, so it's likely they'd be responsive if any issues arise. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are some great options in the market at a lower price point. For example, CeraVe's moisturizing cream with niacinamide offers a more budget-friendly option while still delivering hydration and skin barrier repair. It may not have the same luxurious feel or green tea benefits, but it's still a solid choice for those on a budget. To wrap up, AMOREPACIFIC Time Response Skin Reserve Gel Cream is a fantastic moisturizer if you're seeking a lightweight, anti-aging product with high-quality ingredients like green tea and niacinamide. While the price may be a barrier for some, those looking for luxury skincare that addresses hydration and aging concerns may find this product to be a worthwhile investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.